Hello, and welcome to EC History in 60. Today we are looking at Goshen's Neptune statue. If you're in Goshen, you may notice a statue on the county courthouse square that seems out of place. The Neptune statue has been on the square since 1912 and tells the story of the contribution of immigrants to Elkhart County. James Blazos immigrated to the United States from Greece in 1903. After living with his brother in Ohio for a number of years, he came to Goshen in 1910. Using his entire savings of $1,400, Blazos bought a closed-down saloon and opened a candy kitchen across the street from the courthouse. By 1912, Blazos was a successful businessman and wanted to give back to Goshen. He saw a statue of Neptune while visiting Chicago on a business trip and had a copy produced and installed in Goshen in August of 1912. Blazos' legacy lives on through the statue, and you can still visit the business he started in 1910, the Olympia Candy Kitchen. And that's your EC History in 60.